Okay, we're heading into Paseo. This is the gate. We're gonna go around the big lake, have a little tour here around the big lake. This is where I flew the drone the other day. Down the middle of the lake. I'm gonna go all the way around the lake. Go ahead and get on the sidewalk. See if I can get yelled at. Coming down. Howdy. Bird. Howdy, bird. This is the community center. Take a little trip around the community center. Howdy. Want to go straight ahead? Okay. We did half the lake. Now we're in Esperanza. What's up with all the cones today?
Party hats.
Okay. They're working on the curb. Evidently, we had some faulty curbs. There's another one. Okay, I'm gonna go down the middle road. These are the more expensive houses in Paseo. They all stand alone. I'm pretty sure they all have swimming pools. Yep, see, every one of them has a swimming pool. I have not seen one without. It don't? Okay. We've never been in one of these houses, have we? I think they all do.
Look at this one up here. I'll show you when we get to that.
I gotta keep my film rolling.
No pool.
Patio, no pool?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh yeah. Doesn't looks like it's just got a nice, right, they don't have the, yep. Lanai and no pool room.
No pool. See, that one's the same way right there. Look at that one right straight across. See it?
Where did you get your detective gene?
Well, I'm not real sure, but it's pretty good, ain't it?
Crystal is the detective, and she's also got a nickname as the negotiator. There's the tree we got the seeds off of.
Yeah, they're dried out now. They eat no good.
Oh, we can get more.
Gonna have to. Guess I'll have to shimmy up one of the trees.
I wonder if anybody will actually watch this video. So we went around half of the main lake, circled the administration complex, went into the housing, stayed on one street of many.
Oh yeah, there's a ton more.
We're almost back, and we can do the other half of the lake, and then it's time for lunch. Sounds good to me. Okay, we're approaching the tennis courts and the bocce ball courts. Yep. 3 more ducks. Well, he's not there today. These are the houses with quads. Single family townhomes, but they're all connected. Okay, we're almost back to the beginning. And there's where we started. No fishing in that lake. This is where I seen a gator. GoPro, stop recording.